Press the bell icon to never miss a video from POPxo Daily.
Hi guys, welcome to another episode of POPxo Hair Academy. Are you also always running late like me and then at the last moment you resort to those boring ponytails or a bun? But today I'm here with 3 super quick and super easy hairstyles that you can do on those running late days. Guys, let me know which one was your favorite in the comment section below. And because you love our content so much, join the MyGlamm Insider program and get ₹150 off on all MyGlamm products when you shop from the website or the app. The link to join is down in the description below. And for more such videos, like, share and subscribe to POPxo Daily. Bye!